Hey beauties, welcome back to Nourish Nest. I'm so excited to have you here today. Today, I'm diving into the fabulous world of superfood beauty hacks that you absolutely need to try. These hacks are not only effective but also super easy to incorporate into your daily routine. We're talking glowing skin, lustrous hair, and even DIY face masks, all using superfoods you probably already have in your kitchen. Imagine achieving that radiant look without spending a fortune on expensive products. First up, let's talk about glowing skin. Who doesn't want that dewy, fresh-faced look? Avocado isn't just great on toast, it's a miracle worker for your skin. This creamy fruit is loaded with vitamins and nutrients that can transform your skin. Mash up a ripe avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of honey for an amazing hydrating face mask. This combination is a powerhouse for your skin. Avocado is packed with healthy fats that moisturize your skin, while honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture. Together they create a mask that's both nourishing and hydrating. Apply this mask for about 15 minutes and rinse off with lukewarm water. It's a simple, yet effective way to give your skin a boost. Trust me, your skin will feel like it's been given a big drink of water. It will be softer, smoother, and more radiant. Now, for lustrous hair, look no further than coconut oil. This natural oil has been used for centuries for its amazing benefits. This superfood is full of fatty acids and antioxidants that can deeply nourish your hair. It's like a spa treatment in a bottle. Warm up a few tablespoons of coconut oil and massage it into your scalp and through your hair. This helps to stimulate hair growth and adds a beautiful shine. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight if you're feeling extra. The longer you leave it, the more time it has to work its magic. Wash it out with your regular shampoo and voila! You'll notice a significant difference in the texture and shine of your hair. Your hair will be shinier and healthier than ever. It's a simple, natural way to achieve salon-quality results at home. Next, let's tackle one of our biggest beauty concerns, wrinkles. Aging is natural, but we can definitely slow down the process. Blueberries are your new best friend. These little berries are packed with powerful antioxidants. These tiny fruits are packed with antioxidants that help fight off the free radicals that cause premature aging. They're like a natural shield for your skin. You can blend a handful of blueberries with some yogurt and apply it as a face mask. This mask is not only effective but also feels incredibly refreshing. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. This gives the antioxidants time to work their magic. Your skin will feel tighter and more youthful. It's a great way to give your skin a natural lift. Plus, this mask smells delicious. It's like a treat for your senses as well as your skin. Alright, one more superfood beauty hack for you to try: green tea. This ancient beverage is not just for drinking. Green tea is amazing for reducing puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. It's a quick fix for tired eyes. Brew a couple of green tea bags, let them cool, and then place them over your eyes for about 10 minutes. It's a relaxing and effective treatment. The caffeine and antioxidants in green tea will help constrict blood vessels and reduce inflammation. You'll look more awake and refreshed. Say goodbye to tired eyes. This simple hack can make a big difference in your appearance. So there you have it. Beauties. Superfood beauty hacks that are easy, affordable, and super effective. These tips can help you achieve that glowing skin and lustrous hair you've always wanted. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join the Nourish Nest family. We have so much more to share with you. Until next time, stay beautiful. Remember, beauty starts from within, and these superfoods are a great way to nourish your body and skin. Don't forget to subscribe to Nourish Nest for more beauty tips and tricks. We're here to help you look and feel your best every day.